Hello everyone, I'm Deepika.
And I'm Nivedita.
So today we are continuing our most loved series, One State, One Art Form. And you know what we are covering today? We are covering this beautiful art from Maharashtra which is called Varli art. Let's talk about it.
Varli art is one of India's oldest folk art form, जो originate हुआ था Varli tribe in the Sahyadri region in Maharashtra. But over time it found its home in Gujarat also.
और आपको पता है वर्ली ट्राइब इस आर्ट को अपने घर के मड वॉल्स पे पेंट करते हैं. यू नो यूजिंग व्हाट देयर पेंट इज राइस पेस्ट. वर्ली आर्ट इज मोर देन अ डेकोरेटिव आर्ट गाइज. इट इज अ वेरी पावरफुल स्टोरी टेलिंग मीडियम. भाई हमारी तो फेवरेट है.
And which is why we have hand painted this on our charcoal denim skirts, and you can find this in our Hastkala collection. So now we'll tell you what the stories we are trying to show through it. So you can see there is a musician and there are 4 dancers, 2 male and 2 female, and we have painted on the pockets. These are women dancing hand in hand, and in the other pocket we have painted men dancing hand in hand.
To give it a variation, in other skirt we've given it in a vertical format, and wherein we have 2 musicians and there are 2 women dancing.
Isn't it interesting? So जो वर्ली ट्राइब के लोग होते थे, they used to paint their lifestyle, their beliefs and their daily life on these paintings. They used to show their deep connection with nature and with the universe. वो अपने हार्वेस्टिंग, अपने फेस्टिवल्स, अपने सेरेमनीज, सारे स्टोरी टेलिंग अपने दीवारों पे इसी के थ्रू बताते थे.
Just like that, we are celebrating life through Varli art on these charcoal denim skirts. Because क्या है ना, life is so precious and we need to celebrate every moment. So आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये वर्ली आर्ट में ये ट्राइंगल्स, सर्कल्स, लाइंस, इसका मतलब क्या है? So let's talk about what each symbol means. As you can see, like these human bodies, these 2 triangles, when they are joined together at this midpoint, that makes a human body, and basically this point joining them in between means balance. It symbolizes strength, energy, and it also shows movement of the body, like they are bent forward.
So here you can see circles. Circle shows sun, moon and the life cycle. Plus they also tell us also this is used to show the heads of humans and animals.
Apart from this, they have squares. Square को वो चौक भी बोलते हैं, which is called a sacred space. And ये चौक और square को वो तब use करते हैं, they put it in the center of the art when they want to depict a ritual or a ceremony.
So they also use lines and dash to show the flow, the movement of things such as sound, rhythm, rain and river flow. Despite its rich legacy, Varli painting got its recognition in 1970, and today it is celebrated not just on walls but in fashion, in public murals and as home decors.
So next time when you see this art, these lines, these triangles, these circles, don't think of it just as geometrical shapes. उसके पीछे की कहानी को पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए. और अगर आप अपनी कोई वर्ली आर्ट की स्टोरी हमसे शेयर करना चाहते हैं and you want us to paint it on the clothes, don't hesitate to share it. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.